Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin by organizing and protecting the workspace. First, create folders and subfolders so every note has a home. This speeds retrieval. Once done, enable iCloud Sync to keep notes updated across devices. Make sure sync is complete before you proceed. Finally, set a password or Face ID for private notes so sensitive content stays protected. These actions reduce clutter, prevent duplicate drafts, and secure data, so subsequent steps build on a clean, synced foundation. Now you'll add speed and structure. Use quick notes to capture ideas from any app and apply tags to group items across folders for fast filtering. You should scan documents into notes and convert handwriting with Scribble when needed. Checklists keep tasks actionable. Create reusable templates for recurring note types and pin essential notes to the top so they're always visible. These features turn notes into a lightweight database. Once configured, you'll navigate, search, and act on information far faster. To finish, set sharing and permissions so collaborators can edit or view specific notes. This replaces scattered attachments. Export critical notes as PDF for archiving or use copy-paste to move content into other apps. Finally, verify sync health. If notes aren't updating, restart iCloud Sync, check available iCloud storage, and sign out and back in if necessary. That single troubleshooting tip, recheck iCloud settings, solves most issues, so do it before deeper diagnostics to avoid wasted steps.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.